Hi, I'm Lauren Taylor. I'm going to show you my 5-minute beauty look that I wear to castings for New York Fashion Week. So my first step is to prime and hydrate my skin. So for that I use Kevin Aquan primer. So next step is the Hourglass concealer, which I just put on any redness. I put too much actually. So then I'm just gonna apply some Hourglass. Just comb it through. Then I'm gonna use Hourglass highlighter. Just put that on my cheekbones. So you can put it on your nose, which picks up camera flash, or right above the lip. In the corner of the eyes also. Lashes. It's always kind of scary. Mascara by Terry. I only put top lash because I don't want to look like I'm wearing too much makeup. Last but not least, Givenchy lip gloss. Ta-da! Now I'm ready to go on castings.